Looking for the secret to faster hair growth? You're in the right place. In today's video, I'll be sharing 8 powerful herbs that can take your natural hair game to the next level. So let's dive into these growth secrets. Aloe Vera is the ultimate hydration hero for your hair. It's packed with vitamin A, C, and E. It also promotes healthy cell turnover and soothes the scalp. It has enzymes that repair dead skin cells on the scalp, creating the perfect environment for your hair growth. Aloe vera can be used for hair masks, oils, and also hair butters. Next, we have rosemary, that's famous for boosting hair thickness and stimulating new growth. Its antioxidants combat scalp inflammation and prevent hair thinning. You can use rosemary to infuse your oils or make hair sprays that can boost your hair growth. Bhringraj is known as the king of herbs when it comes to hair. It is packed with nutrients that reverse premature graying and stimulate new growth. It can be used as a hair mask or incorporated in your hair oil to boost hair growth. Fenugreek is a powerhouse of protein and nicotinic acid, both essential for hair growth. It fights dandruff, strengthens roots, and prevents shedding. It can be used as a hair mask or incorporated in your oils. You can also use it to make hair butters. Hibiscus is just not a pretty flower, it's very beneficial to your hair. It's packed with amino acids and vitamin A and C. It promotes collagen production and strengthens roots, reducing hair loss. Hibiscus can be used as a hair mask or a tea rinse. It can also be incorporated in your oils and hair butters. Amla is also known as Indian gooseberry. It is rich in vitamin C and antioxidants that boost scalp health and prevent premature hair graying. It can be incorporated in your oils or also as a hair mask. Cloves are packed with eugenol, which promotes blood circulation to the scalp and boosts hair growth. Cloves can be incorporated in your hair oils. You can also make tea rinses and hair butters with cloves. Lastly, we have Moringa, that's rich in zinc, iron, and omega-3, which nourish the scalp and prevent hair thinning. Moringa can be incorporated in your hair oil or used to make hair masks or hair butters. These are the main herbs that are very essential when it comes to stimulating hair growth. Incorporating them into your hair care routine can make a huge difference. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe.